Looking out the window, you've got both your arms around me. Think I'm satisfied, tell myself it's okay, we can wait it out this time. Poison ivy climbing my face, my skin is dry, you promised me rain. Turn me into someone else that I don't recognize. Can we turn back the time? I'm stuck on this train, and I know I should be going back the other way, but every time I stop I never make the escape. It's partly my fault, tried my best, I guess you're enough, just better in my head. Running through the hillside, this is all I dreamed of, looking into your